Good morning, students. In this video, you are going to know, yes, the troubleshooting, okay, and your troubleshooting will be on sound and software problems, okay. First part is just to check speaker volume. If suppose you have sound problem in your yes system, then what type of work you can do it? First of all, check speaker volume. For that, you have to be at the right side of the taskbar, and here you will click. Now you check, maybe if it is 0, sound will not come. Okay, so you have to adjust it. Then also, if the problem exists, then you will go for check audio, yes, a player control. Okay, many audios and videos have their own separate audio control. Okay, so you have to ensure that the sound is turned on or not. So I'm going to use here one Windows, yes, media player. Okay, this is your multimedia software. So here I will check it whether this part you can see. This I will check it whether it is off or on. Okay, this is the second one problem. Third one, if then also your sound is not working, then you have to check the cable. In case if you are having external speakers, then ensure that, my dear, the speakers are plugged into the electric socket, because power supply. Okay, now not only that, you have to see the port. Okay, generally we use green color. If suppose I am talking about the desktop, we use the green color audio port for our external speaker. But if you are using laptop, this type of ports you are not having, only you're having the single port directly, you will use this one just to listen, yes, the song from your system. Okay, now the next one is check. Yes, already I discussed check the cable. Now check the sound using headphone. Now suppose might be there is can be problem from the external speaker, then you must go for this one headphone. Okay, you connect it, okay, and check it whether your headphone is working problem or not. If not, the problem is, yes, from your, yes, audio port. Okay, or the problem is from your sound card. Okay, now next topic is how to do troubleshooting on softwares that are not going to work in your PC, my dear. Now, first one is, yes, check for available updates. Okay, students, when you think that your Windows is running slow, my dear, there may be the problems from the software update. Okay, so you must have to let your Windows updated. So which way you can make your Windows updated? Simply you go to the search one, and there you write Windows update. Okay, there you will have check for update. Now see, students, now here it is saying actually my window is updated, that's why it is showing the green. Okay, but if it is not, then you have to click on this one for updating your Windows operating system, because maybe sometimes there is the problem from, yes, this also. Okay, next one, an application is frozen. You know, sometimes an application may freeze, my dear. When this happens, my dear, you will not be able to close your Windows. Okay, so in that case, there are different steps through which you can do this task, my dear. See, first one, wait, let me clear everything now. So what you will be doing, my dear, suppose you are running your application or your system is not responding. So first step will be you have to press that three keys together. That is CTRL plus Alt and plus delete key. These three keys you have to press simultaneously. Yes, to go to the Windows Task Manager. I cannot show in that case. Yes, your Task Manager will open. Now you have to click on Task Manager. When you will click on Task Manager, you will be having list of applications. Which application is not responding, select there and end it. Okay, this is the first step. Now, student, the second step, if suppose you are unable to forcefully end an application, then what do you have to do? You have to close all other applications. Suppose my yes, this PowerPoint is not working. So I will close, yes, my Zoom, yes, other application, whichever. And then directly I will shut down the system by clicking, yes, on the Windows button, and then power, and then turn off. Okay. Now, then also your system is not going to be closed, my dear. Then there is also, yes, one step. In this case, you have to go for hard booting. Hard booting means where you have your CPU power button, that button you have to keep pressing, yes, for 4 or 5 seconds, so that your system will be closed, my dear, and again you have to start it. Listen, this is, yes, dangerous. Okay, why? Because if you are going to switch off your PC directly, then maybe whichever files are running, that files may be corrupted. Just I am giving one example by which you can understand it. Suppose you are running, my dear, and in between, yes, if a rock will be there on your way, what will happen? You will fall, my dear. Even you have seen, you cannot balance yourself and surely you will fall, because here you are in a motion, my dear. So whenever this type of problem comes, whatever the before steps I said you, that steps you will do it, my dear, and then at last you will, yes, go for the last step. Okay, if you are not having any solution, okay, then you will go for the last step. Now listen, my dear, once the system is responding, my dear, after this, then this is very important, that is to be done in your PC, and that is run your antivirus. Okay, if you will not run your antivirus, maybe the virus which has made the problem, okay, in your PC by corrupting your application program, yes, that it can identify and show you as a notification area. That means this virus is in your PC. It will give warning to you. Now you have to take action, my dear. So I think you have understood this topic. Yes, very nicely. Yes.